guys, here it is. Tomei white pipe. Guys, Tomei never fails with their merch, their beautiful stickers, their plate cover, their instructions, all the hardware you need. But before we do get straight into this, I just want to tell you guys, we are officially now shaving off nearly 45 pounds with this white pipe and catback out. Like, this is insane. And the beautiful Tomei badge. All right, you put the clamp on this piece. You're gonna slide one of the pipes on. Now the white pipe should look like this. I put this towards the ground and these towards the ground for easy access. Take a 14. These two. The Veer 30s are not like, they're not fully straight with the downpipes, so you have to angle them. That's why I wouldn't tighten these all the way, so we can angle them to the perfect match. Before installing the white pipe, make sure you screw this on, make sure it's nice and tight, and you should be good to go. So once you get it on, now the final step, this side as well. Okay. Same. Guys, now we're coming back, and all you need for these two is a size 10 socket or wrench, but socket will be a lot easier, obviously. Was it all worth it? We're about to find out. It opens it up. I can hear my turbos, I can hear my intakes sucking all that air. The exhaust, I can hear the tone. It's so nice.